Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the safest way to hide your picture on iPhone. This trick is rarely people know, so hopefully after you watching this video it's gonna change your life. So the first thing you have to do is just go open the photo library, and after that you just need to find the picture that you want to hide. Let's say here I would like to hide this picture, so here you just need to go click the picture until you got this features pop up on your screen. Now you just need to go click this, and after that you just need to scrolling up until you found this save to files. So you just need to go click it, and here you just need to create the folders that you want to keep them, and after that you just need to go click save, and you just now can delete this picture. So whenever people opening your photo library, they will now see the picture of the previous picture that we hide. So how to find them? We just need to go back home and go click open the files. You put the picture, and here is the picture. If you want to bring them back, you just need to go click this part again and click save image, and those image will be bring back into the photo library. So that is the safest way to hide your picture on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.